Look at this. Logan's first time in a bounceroo. Let's see. He is enamored with the bird. Who wouldn't be though? Look at that. Big boy. Big boy and his big toys. Yeah. Wow. Got all kinds of good stuff here. Now, unfortunately, our feet don't exactly touch the ground yet. But we'll get there. How is it, Logan? You like that? I would say the jumperoo is a hit so far. Yeah. So far, so good. Right, little boy? Yeah? It's our little man hanging out in his jumperoo. It's exciting stuff, isn't it? Just love that birdie. I wouldn't do to get that in my mouth. Okay, let's turn this way. Oh my goodness, there's another froggy over there. What's that? Uh-oh. It's something else to keep our attention. Oh, how do we like that guy? You gotta study it first, apparently. Well, I guess there's probably a lot of other things we need to figure out how to play with on this guy, so we should probably go, huh? What do you think, buddy? Yeah? Hours of entertainment. This is what you get at 9 weeks old. Where's that birdie go? Where'd that birdie go? Where's that birdie? So there's a froggy and a birdie. Oh my goodness. So much to look at. Yeah. Okay. Say bye, Mr. Logan. Hey there, little boy. Say bye. Alright. Bye, everybody. We're gonna go play.